Brigadier General Still.
For those of you who are completing your training today, for the first time in your lives, you have the capability of sharing in the responsibilities of defense of your country. And these are indeed serious responsibilities, and you should know this. Our interest in you goes far greater than whether you stay in the armed service or whether you get out at the end of your active duty period. Now, the Marine Corps for 182 years has had the same mission. The Marine Corps has been a force in readiness. And today, gentlemen, I'm talking about you, because hundreds of thousands of young men just like you have come into the Corps and served their country faithfully and well. And when I say the Marine Corps is a force in readiness, I mean that we have the capability today of moving in a matter of hours, not days or weeks, but hours. And if there comes a time for us to move any faster than that, we'll be able to do it. And we can do it because the Corps is made up of superbly trained, highly motivated, dedicated, self-confident Marines. And today, gentlemen, I'm talking about you. Gentlemen, in completing your training, I want to wish you the best of luck. I would say this one last thing to you. Don't ever conduct yourself in any way that would give anyone the impression that you're less than the best, because you are the very best. There are no better in any armed service, in any country in the world, than a United States Marine. And I congratulate you on completing your basic training. We look forward to serving with you again. Lots of good luck. Thank you very much.